So this is how the toothbrush arrives. I'm going to update in about 3 weeks. The toothbrush feels good, sounds good. We have a spare toothbrush head, a charging block with a snowflake on it, and a charger. So it's been 3 weeks with my new Snow toothbrush. So far, I've just been using your standard whitening toothpaste that you can get at the drugstore, and I think I'm getting great results with this toothbrush. I love how it feels in my hand. It's got a nice weight to it. Now I'm going to brush my teeth with it. I'm going to put my microphone right here so you can see for yourself how quiet this is. That is on regular clean, whitening, polish, and sensitive. As a comparison, I have my old toothbrush here. I'm not going to name it. I just want to show you the difference in noise level and also with mess. If you take this one out of your mouth, even for a second, you're going to have a mess all over the bathroom because of the spinning head. Much noisier. Toothpaste all over the bathroom. When you pull it out of the water, not nearly as much splashing around.